everybody, my name is Hasier, founder and CEO of Ori, and I want to welcome you to the Ori Design Studio in Brooklyn, New York. Today, I'm going to introduce you to the Cloud Bed, how it works, its features, and we're going to answer some of the commonly asked questions. The Cloud Bed offers many options to fit your space and needs. It comes in two versions, with a sofa or a table underneath. Each version comes in two styles, the Cloudet Plus and the Cloudet Lite. The Cloudet Lite starts at a lower price point with a queen-size bed, 3 height options, and the option to add armrests and a ceiling canopy. The Cloudet Plus comes in 2 height options, a queen or a king-size bed, and with the armrests and the canopy included. The Cloud Bed is very simple to control. This is the Ori square, where you tap the Ori logo to activate it. Then you can press the light button to control the ambient lighting surrounding the system, which is more than enough light that you need for any room. But you can, of course, press the bed button to lower or raise the bed. You can control this with your phone, but also with popular voice control devices like Amazon Alexa or Google Home. The Cloud Bed Sofa Edition features a very spacious sofa, storage underneath, power on the armrests, and the ability to add any coffee table, as long as it's lower than 17 inches. Then, when the bed lowers, you will notice that the back of the sofa becomes your headboard, the armrests become your side table, transforming your space into a truly comfortable bedroom. The Table Edition features a large table that sits comfortably 5 people and a chest that has drawers, cubbies for storage, and then power integrated. When the bed lowers, you actually don't have to move anything out of your table because the table will lower with the bed and your chest will become your headboard. If you ever lose power, nothing to worry about. You can lower or raise the bed manually, so you can always go to bed. The system is extremely safe. It undergoes an independent third-party safety certification process with UL, which also certifies a lot of the home appliances that you're familiar with. If the bed comes down and hits an obstruction, it will stop and retract. If you're on the bed while trying to move the system will not move. We use 8 drywall anchors to attach the system to your wall, very much like the drywall anchors you use to attach a floating shelf. The canopy in the ceiling, which is a lighting system, lightweight, gets attached in 2 points with drywall anchors too. So none of this is structural. Dimensionally, in order to fit a Cloudet Lite in your space, you will need a floor-to-ceiling height of at least 96 inches, a clear wall space of 70 inches, and a length of 103 inches. For the Cloudet Plus model, you will need the floor-to-ceiling height of 102 inches, a clear wall space of 86 inches, and a length of 112 inches. The mattress on the Cloud Bed sits on top of a slat base. We do provide, for the best comfort and experience, a premium memory foam mattress with the product, but if you have any special requirements, please contact our team about them. If you are in the New York City metro area, Cloud Bed is available for individual purchases today, with financing options available. If you're in another city, please go to shop.oriliving.com, sign up for our waiting list, and we will let you know when we're available. Thanks for stopping by our design studio today and checking out our Cloud Bed. If you have any other questions, please contact your Ori space designer for further information.